Whether it be in a trial or activating your new account, the first time you log into SumoQuote, you'll see this screen here. This is where we're going to input your branding as well as grab a few onboarding options to help you get started. To begin, click the green Get Started button on the bottom of the screen. Next, you're going to want to drop in your logo, assign a primary and secondary color, fill in some account information, and then add a little blurb about what you're going to be doing for the customer. I'm going to be offering roofing, siding, and gutter options, so that's what I've input here. When you're ready to move forward, click on See My Brand to move on to the next step. Next, we can choose a style of report. We currently have 6 that are available to choose from. Find a style that best suits your presentation. I'm going to go with this one here on the left. Now I'm going to click on the green Confirm button to move forward. Lastly, before we're ready to start creating quotes and layouts, we need to grab some onboarding options here as well. So I'm going to grab the residential roofing, maybe my Owens Corning brand, GAF, all the partners that I'm normally going to be working with, and then just click OK. Follow this up with any other industries as well. So I know I'm going to be offering gutters, so I'm going to grab residential metals, and I do think that we're going to dabble in decks and fences, so I'm going to give that a click as well. When we're ready, let's click the Finish button to finalize our choices. This will just take a few moments while the data is migrated into your account, and that's all there is to it. Once this is complete, you'll be able to make use of all of these templates and layouts. One thing to note, though, is that this cannot be run by yourself again. If you do want additional onboarding content, reach out to your CSM or a support team, and we'll be able to add those in for you. And just like that, we're ready to get started.